Hello,
Hi, how
my
are
name
you?
is and I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm pretty good. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Rena and I'm from Canada. What's your name?
My name is Saber Hussain Choudhury. You called me Saber. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you too. Oh wow,
Yeah. So
why are you
I
on
wanna
the
say.
roof?
Uh, Actually, I am sometimes I am coming in this roof because when I come to in this roof, my mind is refreshed.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I wanna say something about my cities.
Okay,
Uh, uh, so can I share with you?
absolutely. Please.
Uh, yes. So this is the Dhaka city. It's the capital of Bangladesh. Dhaka is a mega city and one of the uh, one of the major cities in South Asia. About about 20 million people live in this capital. 20
Wow,
million.
that's
20
crazy.
million people live in this capital, and I love so much these cities. So Dhaka, Dhaka cities is one of the nine largest and most populous city in the world. In the world, it's currently the uh, second uh, popular cities in South Asia after Dhaka, Delhi. You know Delhi?
Yes, I do know Delhi. Right.
It's the Indian popular cities. So, uh,
Okay.
listen to another interesting things about my cities. It's the Dhaka cities, uh, also known uh, as the rickshaw capital of the world. Do you understand?
No. I just can't hear that one.
Actually,
Uh,
actually, I I say to you, uh, Dhaka is also known as the rickshaw rickshaw capital of the world. Rickshaw
Rick,
capital of the world. Yeah, yeah, rickshaw capital of the world. Rickshaw
rickshaw.
here ply many rickshaw. Are you seeing?
Oh, I see. Okay, I see. I see. I see. All right. Thank you. I had to look it up. I'm sorry. But yeah, okay, I understand now.
Yeah, yeah. As a, as a many rickshaw ply in this here in this road. Are you
Wow.
seeing? Are you seeing?
Yeah, I see.
So I say to you, Dhaka city also known as the rickshaw capital of the world because in this because 5 lakh uh, rickshaws uh, ply on these streets of the
Yeah.
cities.
Wow. That's amazing. Like for a city with 20 million people, there isn't a lot of cars. And I think that's incredible. Like there's no traffic except for these rickshaws.
Yes, I understand. So please tell me about yourself.
Oh wow. Okay, so I am currently an English teacher. Before coronavirus, I was teaching English in China. Um, so,
Yeah.
of course, because of the coronavirus, I had to come back home to Canada to be safe. And actually, next week, I am flying to South Korea to start a
Wow,
new job.
wow,
Yeah.
that's good.
So yeah, and but it's been a long time. Like I was supposed to go back to South Korea months ago. It's been 5 months since I left Asia. So it'll be really nice to go back to like a normal life. I'm very excited.